Names are a powerful sign of our identity, history and culture. When our name is pronounced or spelt correctly, we feel a sense of belonging and inclusion. Yet sometimes people with less common names may find that others tend to mispronounce them. Namecoach is a tool we use here at LJMU to equip students and staff with the ability to not only make sure they are able to pronounce someone else's name correctly, but also provide an opportunity for others to hear how we pronounce our name ourselves. Namecoach takes away the potential awkwardness or fear of getting someone's name wrong, and is a tool for greater allyship. By taking the time to get pronunciations right, we are contributing to our aim of making LJMU a university where everybody feels that they belong. It's simple to use and is available to every student and member of staff here at LJMU. We'll be adding more user videos over time to enable everybody to use Namecoach in their day-to-day activities. Namecoach is available to every student and member of staff. The easiest way to access Namecoach is via Outlook. Firstly, click on the Get Pronunciation button at the top right of the Outlook app. This will open the Namecoach menu on the right side of your Outlook window. We recommend that you use the Pin button to ensure the add-in remains open as you work in Outlook. When you open Namecoach for the first time, you will see your name listed under My Pronunciation and be invited to add your pronunciation. Click on the loudspeaker icon to hear the suggested pronunciation for your name. You now have two options. If your pronunciation is correct, simply click Yes, that's it. To record your own name pronunciation, click Not Quite and follow the instructions on screen to record your own name pronunciation. Make sure you've given your computer access to your microphone. Once you're satisfied with your recording, click Next. You'll be given the option to keep the recording in your own voice or use a Namecoach generated version from the drop-down menu. Make your choice and click Next. You can then do a final check by clicking Play My Pronunciation. When you're satisfied, just click Sounds Good. You'll see a purple check mark next to your name. Congratulations, you have successfully added your name pronunciation. Now you've recorded your name pronunciation, you can include this on your email signature. This provides colleagues and students with the opportunity to hear how you pronounce your own name. To get started, click on the Share icon in the Namecoach panel, then click Audio URL. Once your recording is copied, head to the main Outlook window and click File. In the File pop-up window, click Mail, then Signatures. You can either create a new signature or add your recording to your current LJMU email signature. Once you've created your signature, click Ctrl and K to open an Edit hyperlink box. We recommend typing Hear My Name in the Text to Display box. Then paste the hyperlink to your recording in the address box below. Click OK to confirm and OK again to finalize, and that's it. You've included your name pronunciation in your email signature. Listening to someone's name pronunciation is really easy with Namecoach. In an email thread, you can listen to each participant's name pronunciation. Just click on the Get Pronunciation button at the top right of the Outlook window. From there, simply select the name you would like to hear from the drop-down menu, click on the speaker icon, and their pronunciation will play. You can also search the Namecoach database to look up any name pronunciation. Simply type in the name you'd like to hear, and the Namecoach database will return a pronunciation for you. You can also search the database using email addresses for people within LJMU. This function is really useful when getting to know a new cohort of students, meeting a new team, or even when reading names at graduation. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Namecoach. If you've got any further questions, then contact the Diversity and Inclusion team.